Good evening, everyone. So we'll be starting the introduction of Java with the software installation, path setting, and how to write a simple Hello World program, compile, and then interpret it. So we'll learn all these terminologies as and when we progress. So today's agenda is to go ahead and check whether I have the software required to execute. I'll go to the C drive, program files, Java, and then I have two editions. One is Java 1.7 and Java 1.8. We have two JDKs here. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So since we are learning in 2021, I'll be going with JDK 1.8.0201. If I have any updated version. In this, I have bin, and bin has many files. So I'll copy this URL, and then I'll go to the command prompt. I'll try to type Java C. I'll try to type Java. So what I see is Java C is a command which compiles a Java program, and this command is not available. There are two ways of doing it. One is path is equal to %path semicolon double quotes. It's a temporary arrangement. Now I can see Java C minus version because the path is set. The Java version which has been compiled is 1.8 with updated version, and we expect the same thing to be in the interpreter version. Means Java C is a compiler, Java is an interpreter. So preferably it should be in the same version, or Java C should be on the lower side. Compilation can be done on the lower version, but interpretation can be done on the same version or the next version of it. Okay. So since we have our compiler and interpreter both working, I'll shift to a drive where I can run this. So I'll go to E drive, in my case 2021 classes. I'll go here and then code. So I'll copy this code, this path, and let me take the pointer for your help. Now I'll go to the command prompt. In this command prompt, I'll go to cd space the one which is copied. Now I'll move it to E drive. Now you can see it's E drive 2021, the folder Java Ramesh, and then code. Now I'll be creating a notepad space the hello.java program. So there are two ways of doing it. Go to the folder and create it, or you can even make use of the command prompt. So notepad space hello.java. I'll press enter. Now this is asking for the format change. Now the first thing what people have to learn is how to write a program. I'll explain each and every line in the next session. So I'll write a class first, and I'll name it anything what you want. It's not always hello. We'll try to discuss on the file name and the rest of the things. I'll go with hello world. What is the name of the file is hello. The name of the class is hello world. In this, we expect it to be having a public static void main, completely in lowercase with string args. You can type anything here. I'll type v, which should be an array, and this should have a block. And now we will be typing our first hello world message. To do that, I need a system class out object println function. Hello world. I'll save it again. Now, after writing the program, you have to compile the program Java C space file name dot Java. After compiling, let me show you the file. So I'll click on this group by. So what it got generated? It got generated with hello world, which is a class file, the type, and the first one was Java file. So now let me do this with the help of the program. This is my program. This is the command prompt on the right hand side. Let me pick the file. I'll delete this for now. I'll be taking this. So please observe the left hand side. On the right hand side, I'll be compiling it. Java C space the file name dot Java. Once the compilation is successful, it will get a hello world.class file. Now observe the name. It is hello world. What's the reason? The reason is behind this name. The name of the class. So class is a keyword, lowercase. Public static void is a keyword, lowercase. And system is a class. The first letter should be in uppercase. As and when we progress, you'll know this. Now, after compiling, you have to type Java, the name of the interpreter command, space the name of the class. And you should be getting the hello world as an output. So this is the first program, and along with this, what we need to understand is we have learned how to write a program. I know we have learned it blindly. We need to learn each and every line and how to compile it, how to interpret it. Now, let's assume that you people have exited from the command prompt. And if you try to relog in, you will face the same issue. Java C gone. You have to set the path again. So if you want, initially try to practice that every time, or you can set it permanently. To set it permanently, the path required for compiling: C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. Copy the path and go to this PC. Right click anywhere in this white area. Go to properties. Select advanced system settings. And while doing this, your command prompt should have exited. Click on environmental variables. We have this path. Click on edit. If it is already a path existing of Java, then you need not have to add it here. But if you want, you have to click on new, paste the path which was copied, C program file Java JDK bin. Click on OK, OK, and OK. Now, if I open a command prompt and if I start typing Java C, it is permanently set. Java permanently set. So let me maximize this. Let me check the version. And now I'll be checking the interpreter version. So we'll learn this in detail. So we have both ready. Now, where was the program written? You need to switch to that drive. So E drive. If you want to do it one step at a time, change the folder. CD. So this is how we'll change. Now, if you want, you can compile it. Since I know it has already been compiled, I'll just delete star.class file. And let me show you the folder. The folder says that there is no class file. Decompile the classes. We have only the Java program file. Java C space file name dot Java, which will generate one more file, and that file is called as class file with extension, which is a bytecode, which consists of bytecode. Now we need to interpret using the name of the class, which was given in your program. What is the name given to the program, which is the class? It is hello world. So make use of that name, Java command hello world. So here we have the output of that program, and with this hello world program is completed. stopping the recording. We will go from. Thank you.